Alright, let's talk about the robots. It's a topic that's everywhere these days, and for good reason. Technology is moving faster than ever, and artificial intelligence is at the heart of this transformation. But what does that really mean for us, for our jobs, and for the future of work? Let's get right into it. Every day we see new headlines about AI, automation, and robots. Some of them sound pretty scary, right? Stories about machines replacing workers, about entire industries being disrupted overnight. You see headlines about AI taking over jobs, and it's easy to feel anxious. It's natural to worry about what the future holds when it seems like everything is changing so quickly. But here's the thing. What if AI is actually creating new jobs instead of just taking them away? What if instead of a threat, it's an opportunity for growth, innovation, and even more meaningful work? This isn't just wishful thinking, it's happening right now. Across industries, we're seeing new roles emerge, jobs that didn't even exist a few years ago. From AI trainers to data ethicists, from automation supervisors to robot maintenance specialists, the landscape is evolving. We often focus on what might be lost, but forget to see what's being gained. For every repetitive task that AI takes over, there's a new opportunity for humans to do work that's more creative, more strategic, and more impactful. For every task AI learns, new opportunities arise. Someone needs to build these systems, teach them, monitor them, and make sure they're working for us, not against us. Someone has to design, train, and manage AI. And that means a whole new generation of jobs. Jobs that require creativity, empathy, and problem-solving skills that only humans can bring. Education and training are evolving too. Schools and universities are adapting, offering courses in AI, robotics, and data science. People are upskilling, learning how to work alongside intelligent machines, and preparing for careers that are just beginning to take shape. Instead of panicking, let's look at the good news. The future of work isn't about humans versus robots. It's about humans and robots working together, each doing what they do best. The conversation about AI and jobs needs more optimism and facts. We need to talk about the real stories, about people who have found new careers, about companies that have grown because of automation, and about the ways technology is making work safer and more interesting. This isn't about ignoring challenges. It's about highlighting opportunities. Yes, there will be bumps along the way. Some jobs will disappear, but many more will be transformed or created. We are at the beginning of a new chapter, and humans are the main characters. Our ability to adapt, to learn, and to innovate has always set us apart, and it will continue to do so. So, let's see what amazing jobs await us in this new world. Let's get curious, let's get creative, and let's get ready for a future where technology helps us reach our full potential. The future is not about losing jobs, but transforming them. It's about finding new ways to add value, to connect, and to make a difference. Let's embrace the change, learn new skills, and see where this incredible journey takes us. The robots are here, but so are we. And together, the possibilities are endless. The fear of technology taking jobs is an old story with a happy ending. Throughout history, every major technological breakthrough has sparked anxiety about the future of work. People have always worried that machines would replace them, leaving entire communities without purpose or income. But time and again, these fears have proven to be short-lived. When cars replaced horses, it wasn't just the end of an era for carriage drivers and stable hands, it was the beginning of something much bigger. New jobs emerged in car manufacturing, road construction and infrastructure. Mechanics, gas station attendants, and auto designers became essential roles. The world adapted, and the workforce evolved. Fast forward to the digital age. The internet didn't just change how we communicate, it created entire industries. Roles like social media managers, app developers, cybersecurity experts, and digital marketers didn't exist a few decades ago. Now, they're some of the most sought-after jobs in the world. History shows that technological leaps shuffle the job market. Old jobs transform, sometimes fading away, but often evolving into something new. People learn new skills, adapt to new tools, and discover opportunities that were unimaginable before. And with every wave of innovation, new, exciting jobs are born. From data scientists to drone operators, from virtual reality designers to renewable energy engineers, the possibilities keep expanding. AI is just the latest chapter in this ongoing story. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, but it's also opening doors to careers we're only beginning to imagine. AI specialists, machine learning engineers, and ethical AI consultants are just a few examples of roles that didn't exist until recently. It's not the end of work, it's the beginning of new kinds of work. Teams are collaborating in ways that blend human creativity with machine intelligence, solving problems faster and more efficiently than ever before. AI will challenge and empower us in ways we're just starting to understand. It will automate repetitive tasks, freeing us to focus on creativity, strategy, and innovation. It will push us to learn, adapt, and grow alongside the technology we create. The pattern is clear. Technology creates more opportunities than it takes away. Each advancement brings a wave of new industries, new skills, and new possibilities for people willing to embrace change. We adapt, innovate, and thrive with each new wave of technology. The most successful societies are those that invest in education, reskilling, and lifelong learning, preparing their people for the jobs of tomorrow. The future of work is about embracing change and finding new paths. It's about being open to learning, exploring new fields, and seeing every technological shift as a chance to grow. AI is not a threat but a catalyst for growth and innovation. It's a tool that can help us solve some of the world's biggest challenges, from healthcare to climate change, and create a more connected, efficient, and creative workforce. Let's focus on the potential and possibilities AI brings. Imagine the new industries, the new roles, and the new ways of working that are just around the corner. The next big shuffle is here, and it's full of promise. For those willing to adapt, learn, and innovate, the future is bright and full of opportunity. We are ready to write the next chapter in the story of work. Together, we can shape a future where technology and humanity move forward hand in hand. Let's make it a great one, full of growth, innovation, and new opportunities for all. What do these new jobs look like? It's not just about being a robot repair technician. Many roles involve working AI, not being replaced by it. AI trainers teach AI systems, guiding them to learn and improve. AI ethicists ensure AI systems are fair, safe, and unbiased. AI auditors, data curators, and UX designers are emerging roles. These jobs require human judgment, ethics, and creativity. It's about partnerships between human and artificial intelligence. These roles highlight the value of human skills in the AI era. One of the coolest new roles is the prompt engineer, or AI whisperer. They craft prompts to guide AI in producing the best results. It's like being a master librarian or a film director. The quality of AI output depends on the quality of the input. Prompt engineers use creativity and logic to refine AI interactions. This role shows how technology and humanities intersect. You don't need to be a coder, you need to be a great communicator. It's a hot role proving the value of language and creativity. While prompt engineer is mainstream, some job titles are more imaginative. A mock job ad for a kill switch engineer pokes fun at AI fears. The role involves pulling the plug if AI turns on us. It's satire, highlighting the need for human oversight. In high-stakes AI, human-in-the-loop systems are crucial. Real roles like AI Safety Oversight Manager ensure control. Even our fears about technology create new responsibilities. We are the creators and guardians of technology. The spirit of the kill switch engineer is about safety and oversight. It's a humorous reminder of the importance of human intervention. AI is creating new jobs, but what skills do we need? The most important skills are deeply human: creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. AI can't truly understand or feel empathy. Jobs requiring human connection, like nurses and teachers, will be more valuable. Complex problem-solving and strategic thinking are uniquely human. AI can't navigate messy, unclear problems or inspire teams. Creativity and curiosity drive human progress. AI can generate art, but it can't have a moment of inspiration. The future values our ability to be deeply human. This isn't just theory, it's happening now. Companies are building teams around new AI-centric roles. AI implementation strategists integrate AI into workflows. Creative industries use AI to assist, not replace, creators. Human oversight in finance ensures AI's conclusions are verified. Data annotation companies fuel the AI industry. They employ people to label data for machine learning. This work is the foundation of the AI industry. New roles bridge human talent and machine capability. The AI job market is booming with opportunities. How do we prepare for future jobs? It's clearer than you think. Learning happens on the job, and through flexible education, companies invest in reskilling and upskilling employees. Online platforms offer courses on AI tools and ethics. These courses are accessible to everyone, not just tech experts. Education now values critical thinking and creativity. The goal is to teach adaptability and problem solving. Stay curious and explore new AI tools. The future belongs to lifelong learners and optimists. Embrace AI as an opportunity to grow and augment abilities. In the age of AI, humans are more important than ever. As technology rapidly transforms our world, it's easy to feel like machines are taking over. But the truth is, our role is evolving, not disappearing. We are the ones who imagine, who dream, and who give meaning to the tools we create. Technology is a tool, but it lacks wisdom and purpose. It can process data at lightning speed, but it doesn't understand the why behind our actions. Only people can ask the big questions, challenge the status quo, and decide what truly matters. We set goals and decide what problems to solve. Our creativity and vision shape the direction of progress. Every innovation starts with a human spark, a desire to make life better, safer, or more meaningful. AI can help, but human compassion drives the search for cures. It's empathy that motivates us to heal, to comfort, and to push boundaries in medicine and science. Machines can assist, but they can't care the way we do. Technology gives power, but humanity gives direction. We are the compass, steering innovation toward what benefits society as a whole. Our values, ethics, and sense of responsibility guide every breakthrough. As tasks become automated, we focus on meaningful work. Freed from repetitive chores, we can invest our energy in creativity, problem solving, and building relationships, things only humans can do best. The future of work is about humans and machines working together, each playing to their strengths. Collaboration between people and technology opens up new possibilities we've only begun to imagine. We value our ability to be deeply human. Our empathy, intuition, and ability to connect with others are irreplaceable. These qualities foster trust, inspire teams, and create communities. This is not a downgrade. It's a promotion for humankind. We're being called to step up, to lead with heart and vision, and to shape a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Remember the full story of work and opportunity. Throughout history, every leap in technology has created new roles and possibilities. We adapt, we grow, and we thrive. With change comes greater opportunity. The future is not something to fear, but something to shape, together. We are at the beginning of an exciting chapter. Our ideas, our compassion, and our drive will define what comes next. Our human spirit is the most valuable asset. It's what sets us apart and propels us forward, no matter how advanced our tools become. And that is some good news. The future belongs to those who embrace their humanity and use technology to make the world a better place.